Hey, Cruise Gang. So, this is one of the amazing shows aboard the Independence of the Seas, and it's called Freeze Frame. And it's one of the ice shows that is located in Studio B. What they do with this show, they just did errors. So, it was like they represented the 40s, 50s, 60s, and 70s in this ice show, and it was really good to see. I really enjoyed it. The ice skaters are awesome, and I mean, they had all the stamina in the world. So definitely go see the ice show if you're on any Royal Caribbean ship. And also get there early. I would say 30 minutes prior to the show starting so that you can get a good seat. But yeah, the show was really good. I enjoyed it. Hey guys, and if you are new to my channel, my name is Toy, and I pretty much cruise and do all types of traveling, and so I just take you guys along with me on my journey. Now, if you do like this type of content, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more of this type of content. Also, if you guys missed my previous Royal Caribbean vlogs on Independence of the Seas, make sure you go back and watch it. This cruise series is going to be a blast, so make sure you are all caught up. This is the third installment of that one. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So we just came from the ice show in Studio B, and it was good. Really good show, really cute. It was like it's called Freeze Frame, and they did it was like errors, 60s, no, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s theme. So that was cute. That was cute. It was a really cute show. So if you're ever on Independence of the Seas, please go see the ice show Freeze Frame. It was cute. You saw the clips. Now we're up here on the promenade. You see it. I don't know what we're gonna do now. Might get some pizza. See how the pizza tastes. I have not tried the pizza yet. We gotta try the pizza. I'm excited about the pizza. Oh, the line is crazy though. Look. Oh, never mind. My God. Sorrento's is that good? We'll try it again later. We'll try it again later. Like, we'll try it again later. This is crazy. Wow.
It'll always be like one person working.
Wow. Yeah. Okay, I think we're gonna go down to the Playmakers. It's down here by the casino. It's a restaurant. I don't know if it's open yet, but we'll see. We shall see. We're in the casino now, though. All right. Once we get through here, find some food, I'll get back to y'all. So we're at Playmakers, Sports Bar, and Arcade.
I get if you look at a deli and sushi open, you know, they have two things.
Because it's what, time is it 3 o'clock? No, it's like almost 4.
Right.
Like 4 o'clock, there's no food options open. But pizza place. Pizza place line was crazy. I saw that line. Now I stand in that line. So now it's like, and they don't have many people working, right? They don't have people working. You gonna stand 30 minutes in a line for some pizza? No. Yeah, Royal needs to, I don't know what they need to do, but have pizza ready
Yeah, have
or
other stations for pizza.
have some more, yeah, have some more staff.
That's a huge issue.
Yeah, have staff, but that would be your only free option. So now we're at the Playmakers Sports Bar and Arcade because we have to pay for it because we're not going to stand 30 minutes in line for some food. Like, I'm not going to do it.
Yeah, but I don't like about one thing I don't like about Rome. They don't do like pina coladas in these bars.
Yeah, so what's up with the non-frozen drinks?
Yeah.
Is it only at certain bars?
I think like near the coast. I don't know what that is. You know, with the rum bars and yeah, we don't really like. I don't wanna.
Yeah, you don't want. Like sometimes I want a fruity drink. I should be able to go to any bar and get a fruity drink. I'm gonna hold all of my stuff in my videos. Y'all better stay tuned.
Like they don't have like why not?
Yeah, so
Y'all don't want to make it. Yeah.
that should be available at all bars. It is. I mean, I thought it should be on every shift, but well, we'll see. Now we're getting some wings and fries and burgers.
I'm going back and forth.
Where-
Yeah, the wings and fries, the burgers and fries are free on card. Number 263, guys burgers.
Yeah. Right. But whatever. So we're here. We're gonna eat some burgers and wings that we had to pay for because I'm not standing 45 minutes in the pizza line.
And nothing else is open.
Nothing else is open. So that time frame is crazy. You gotta have something. You gotta have a second option, but you gotta have a second option, right? So I'm at Playmakers eating some wings. Okay, these are buffalo wings. They look pretty good. Like, I'm excited to try it out. The wings are $10, I think.
We can look.
Yeah. So, whew,
Yeah, I
hot.
see. Okay, what kind they call?
You know, I like me a good wing. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. Tastes like, it's good. Wings are good. Come to Playmakers, try some wings. All right, I'm gonna finish eating, and I'll be back later. What's up, guys? So we are on the way to drop baby Chloe off at the nursery, and then we're gonna do some adult things for a few hours while we have the time, okay? But in the meantime, it's a nice day out on the deck. It's been a beautiful sea day. I've had a good time. I've gotten some rest. But look at this view. Wow. Man, I just love a good sunset. Every time I'm on a cruise, I try to get a good sunset view because it's just epic. And just sometimes seeing the sun cascade off the water, it's just something so peaceful and calm about it. And it's just a wonderful, peaceful view. But yeah, I love sunsets. So pretty. So yeah, that's what's on the agenda today. We're going to drop baby Chloe off, and we're gonna get into some things. here at the Royal Nursery. She will get dropped off, and then I'm gonna have some fun. So we're gonna eat real fast because baby Chloe is in the nursery. Then we'll get into something else. So after dinner, this is where we went. We went into the Royal Theater and we watched one of their stage play productions. And it was okay. It wasn't anything too spectacular. It was your average show. It was pretty much just them doing, dancing and changing costumes. But yeah, it was something to fill the time. It wasn't anything that I'm like, oh my God, I have to see. But hey, if you're there and you want to watch it, please do. Good morning, everyone. So last vlog ended kind of abruptly. It was a long night. I was tired. We did some things though, but I was tired and totally forgot to end the vlog. But today is a new day and it is port day. We are in Nassau, Bahamas. So I'm excited about that. I haven't been to Nassau since, I want to say 2017. So it's been a while. So we're going to get off the ship. We have some friends that live in Nassau, so we might connect with them and then we might go to the beach. So let's see what this day brings. But before we get off the ship, we're gonna try and get on the slide. Hopefully the slide is working. Hopefully it's open because we want to get on the slide before we get off the ship. All right, so change of plans. The slide was closed until 1 p.m. So we just decided to get off of the ship so that we can meet people that we're supposed to meet and have a good day in Nassau. Mind you, it is burning up out here. Burning up. But it's so beautiful. I haven't been to the Bahamas in a while. But here we go. Let me get you this view. Here goes Atlantis. It's a beautiful Independence. It's so huge. Let me see if I can get some towels. So back to the Bahamas. I think they did this pier is kind of new. I know they were doing construction that I've seen before. And this is our ship. It's the Independence of the seas. And then we got next to us is the Carnival Sunshine. So we are the only two ships in port right now. Sunshine and the Independence. I'm not sure if any other ships will be in port with us, but it's about 10:30 right now. So it's about 10:30. So I'm trying to meet the group of people that we came here to meet. So also I think I want to look around Nassau a little bit. We're gonna hang out at the beach. So it's gonna be a fun day in the Bahamas. Beautiful weather. It's hot though, but it's beautiful. Yes. Alright guys, so I will see you when we get into our next event. Just to give you guys a little update, it looks like they are still doing some construction out here in the Bahamas to the pier. So it's definitely not fully complete. I don't know when it's going to be complete, but yeah, they are definitely still working on it. I can't wait to see how it's going to look in the end, but they are still doing construction out here, ladies and gentlemen. They are still constructing. There's the sunshine. Yeah, they still have a lot of construction going. So we'll see how it is whenever it's completed. So I'm out here in the streets of the Bahamas. Of course, we just came through the part where they bombard you with everything, but that's normal. Bahamas is a lot though. They do it a lot, but every port, they pretty much do it. So right now we're just waiting on our ride. Ooh, it's a nice day out here. It's very sunny and it's hot. I know I keep saying that, but it is. It's hot. But yeah, so we are on the streets of the Bahamas, baby. And let you know, Bahamas just got rid of the requesting for you to have COVID testing. So for this cruise, we just missed having to get tested, which was like, wow. So literally they said it like 2 days before we had to board. I think 2 or 3 days, but literally we just made the cut of us not having a test before we came to the Bahamas. So yeah. Looks like cruising is almost pretty much back to normal. Honestly, it really is. Really is. Really is almost back to normal. So yeah, we're gonna wait for the ride and then we'll see what else. So stay tuned. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Toy. Okay, you are traveling with Toy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more content and more videos and more traveling.